Okay, minggu ni kita roller coaster sikit walaupun Bitcoin telah naik. Our trades this week bermula dengan dua kali loss. So, loss pertama ialah short dari Bitcoin. Another loss ialah another short from Bitcoin. Bitcoin telah lipat aku dua kali pada permulaan minggu. But of course kita mesti buat comeback. So we had some two very big trades. BNB short, dia terus junam dengan sangat laju, very very nice short. And Ondo kita telah ambil sebuah long, and look at this guys, tengok entry ni, sangat-sangat tajam. So if we take a look in the chat, let's take a look at the photos. Ondo. I think we should have some here. Ondo. So look, bukan saya saja, but our member also took very nice positions on Ondo. So very good recovery. Kita telah dapat, I think, 1/3 for that Ondo trade, and BNB 1/1. So we've managed to recover our losses dari permulaan minggu. Now, let's take a look at the charts. Let's see what is about to happen dan level mana yang saya berminat untuk trade. Nah, saya bukan nak jadi bukan nak buat orang takut, tapi based on technicals lah, right? We should be expecting a pullback soon. Okay, dan ada satu level yang sangat-sangat penting that you guys should be paying attention to. Alright. And level ini bukan level kecil. Ini level weekly. Okay, so we take a look at the weekly. Okay, we can tarik sebuah Fibo dari all time high kepada low yang kita baru saja buat. Right. And we can see that the 618 lines up very nicely over here with this, what you can say is a weekly level. Right, sebuah level resistance yang kuat. So 618 lining up with our weekly level. Kalau kita zoom in lagi, let's zoom into 6 hour. We can also see clearly that ini adalah sebuah range. Right, it is a range. So of course in a range akan ada level yang mempunyai volume yang tinggi. Kalau kita tarik sebuah volume profile, we can see boom, the volume profile lands right here. Okay, so ini 96k menjadi level resistance yang sangat-sangat kuat. Right, yang sangat-sangat kuat. So if you are going to be taking a long position here sekarang, okay, if you are taking a long position here, let's say you telah ambil sebuah long position dari breakout and pullback ini, pay attention to this 96k level ya, sebab this would be somewhere where I would keep an eye on to take profit or to potentially exit, dan tunggu market react kepada level ini, sama ada kita boleh sambung long, cari new long, atau adakah kita akan mula reverse. Okay, so 96k is a very very important level to keep an eye on. Kalau you guys masih ada long position, boleh teruskan hold, right? But I would recommend to keep an eye on this level. Saya akan mencari sebuah short position di area sini at about 96.5 to maybe even 97, 98. This would be a swing position. Dan saya nampak bila dia ada candle macam ni, usually dia kena retrace balik lah. Dia kena balancekan balik. Right, so I'm expecting a pullback sooner than later from about 96 to 97k, and we can target the previous support or at around 88k macam tu. This would be a much bigger swing position. Okay, so that's my plan for Bitcoin going into next week. This level right here becomes very very important. Kalau kita zoom in sikit, let's look at 1 hour time frame. Kita sedang mencuba untuk break out dari range ini. Right, kita sedang cuba break out dari range ini. tak berjaya close di atas high, above this high, okay, tapi berjaya retest support di sini, right? So untuk ini menjadi retest yang successful, we want to see it push above and close above this high, right? Barulah kita ada keyakinan yang dia boleh sambung ke 96k, 97k, right? So for me, if you are looking to take a position right now, dia agak FOMO sikit sebab you sedang buy high, right? Your stop loss dekat mana? Maybe sini lah. Sini baru selesa sikit. Sini pun valid, right? Sini pun valid. Sini pun valid, but if you're entering right now, you kena tengok move yang cepat. You nak dia move and breakout cepat. Kalau dia lagging, slow, bergerak macam ni, tak berapa cantik, tak berapa cun. But where will your take profit be? First one would be about 96k, not bad. Satu ni sebab 2. Next one we'll be looking at about 97 lah. Okay. So a valid position, but keep in mind you sedang buy high. You sedang buy high. Kita biasanya nak buy low dan sell high. So for me, I'm going to wait for Bitcoin to reach the level yang saya nak trade. Saya akan cuba untuk tidak kejar market, tapi who knows, if we get something that looks good, maybe I will enter. Kalau you guys nak follow dan tengok macam mana saya trade, you guys can join the Kaizen Crypto Academy. Di sini saya post exactly entry, TP, stop loss, everything, right? Just now we also had a Pengu trade, tapi dia sangat laju lah. It was so fast. 951, 959, sangat-sangat laju. So I'm not counting this trade in our results lah, sebab saya rasa tak ramai yang sempat enter trade ini, walaupun dia bagi profit yang cun lah, right? So I'm not counting this into our P&L. Okay, it looks like Bitcoin is moving out, so keep an eye on this structure. If we can break above this, it might be worth it untuk cari sambungan, right? Break above, retest lagi, sambung, right? Something like that. Okay, if you're trading purely based on market structure. Alright, but for me, I'm just going to wait. I'm maybe cari trade di altcoin, right? Bitcoin sudah tinggi. So itu saja untuk video kali ini. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video.